Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss exercise number 1.1. As you know, NCERT book, textbook. If you want to refer more problems, as we already provided base materials, in that 1A book you have to refer. So today I am going to start exercise number 1.1. So here the first question is, which of the following are sets, and you have to justify your answer. And the first question is the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So this can be easily countable. Collection of elements is easy because in a month always you have to take the capital letter in the and the process, as we discussed in the last video. So J, let us start with January, next June, next July. So this way you have to write the answer. This is a well defined collection of objects, so therefore it is a set. Last you have to write as it is a set. Similarly, the second one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So the person to person the talent is varied. So we cannot collect the objects definitely. So therefore it is not a set. So you have to write not a set. Simply, if you want to justify answer, person to person the talent is varied. So similarly, the third question, the team of 11 best cricketer batsmen of the world. If I take Virat Kohli is the best batsman, for your choice that will be different, means that may be Dhoni, Tendulkar. So this is also not a set because person to person the best cricket batsman is changes. So therefore it is also not a set. Next, go with the fourth one, the collection of all boys in your class. In your class, that can be countable because it is a well defined collection of objects, therefore it is a set. Simply write down it is a set because it is a well collection of objects. Similarly, next go with the fifth one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. As you know, yesterday the natural numbers always positive numbers, whole numbers. Next, and goes on, less than 100 is there, that will be countable. The collection of object is easy, so therefore it is a set. So the fifth one also it is a set. Next, go with the sixth one, the collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So it can be countable. If you find the written writer Munshi Premchand, that will be countable. So therefore it is also set. Next, go with the seventh one, the collection of all even integers. All even integers you can count. So as a integer can be taken as I or Z. So but it is a infinite, but it is countable. So therefore it is a set. Even integers is there, we can count it. So this way the first question is, which of the following are set? Justify your answer is there. You can justify the answer as well as you can write the answer. Next one, another two are there. The collection of question in this chapter. In this chapter 6 questions are there. So therefore it is also set. Next, go with the last one, the collection of most dangerous animals of the world. For my sake, it may be the tiger. For person to person, it changes. That may be a lion, or some may fear about dogs. So this way, it is not a set. So this way, you have to justify the answer. and it is a set or not, you have to define. Next, go with the second question now. Let A be the set having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you have to insert the symbol as we discussed here. This indicates what? Epsilon. This is nothing but belongs to. And this indicates what? Not belongs to. So this way, here 5 is there. 5 is the element of a set A here. So therefore, the first one is what? Belongs to. The first one is what? Belongs to. Next, second one, 8 is not in the set A. So therefore, not belongs to. Similarly, third one, 0 is not there, not belongs to. Next, fourth one is there in the set A, belongs to. Next, similarly, fifth one, belongs to. 10 is not there in the set A, so therefore, not belongs to. Next, go with the third question now. Write the following set in the roster form. As we discussed, there are two methods to represent a set. One is the roster method, that is also called as tabular method. Another one is set builder method. So here, the first one is A. This is already in the set builder form. Now we have to write in the roster form now. So X, what this mean indicates such that X is an integer and X is greater than minus 3 and less than 7 is there. So integers they are given. So therefore you have to write the set A now. Answer becomes X is greater than minus 3. What are the integers? Greater than minus 3 is nothing but minus 2. Next, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 7 is there. 6 also comes. And close the bracket. So this way you have to write the roster form. Next one is second question B, X such that X is a natural number less than 6. So here you have to write the roster form for the second question. Natural number less than 6 is there. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 comes. Next, going to the third question now. C is a set of what? X is belongs to what? 2-digit natural number such that the sum of the digits is 8. If you take 2 digits, it will start from 88 and end up with 99. These are the 2-digit numbers. But here the sum of the digit is 8 here. So therefore, what are the 2-digit number comes now? The first one is from 11 to 20 if you consider, that will become 17. Next, 21 to 30 if you consider 26. Next, 30 to 40 if you consider 35. Next, 41 to 50 if you consider 44. Next, 51 to 60 if you consider 53. Next, 62. Next, 71. Sum of the digit is 8 here. 71. Next, 80 also comes. If you sum 8 plus 0, 8 becomes. Next one is 9. It will start from 9. The sum is greater than 8, it will become. So the set is and end up with 80 itself. So these are the elements, the 2-digit natural number such that the sum is equal to 8 here. So this way you have to write the set roster form. Next one is go with the fourth problem. X D is a set of what? X is such that X is a prime number which is divisor of 60 here. The prime number you have to write, and also it is divisor of what? 60 here. So now the next answer becomes 1 is not comes in the prime number. Next going the 2. 2 is divisor of 60 here. Next 3 also comes. 6 is there, but it is the divisor of 3. So therefore only 2 elements will come now. If we count another prime number also, they are not divisor of 60 here. So therefore only 2 elements will come, that is 2 and another number comes in the prime number, that is 5. This is the fourth one, Rostov form. Next, fifth one, the set of all letters in the trigonometry you have to write. As we discussed yesterday, if there are 2 letters are there, you have to take only one. T double is there, write only T here. Next, R is there, R also here there, only write one R. Next, I comes here. Next, G. Next, O double is there, write only one. Next, N. Next, M comes. Next, E is there. Next, last one is Y. So this way you have to write the Rostov form. And last one, the set of all letters in the word better is there. So this is also easy. T double, E double is there. So write only T, B, E, next T and R. Only 4 elements will come. So going with the fourth question, write the following sets in the set builder form now. All 5 questions are in the Rostov form now. Now you have to write in the set builder form now. The first question is 3, 6, 9, 12 are there. They are the natural numbers as well as multiple of 3. So that purpose you have to write in the set builder form now, means statement form. So x such that x is what? Natural number and also multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, but here up to 12 is there, so therefore you have to take x is less than 15, you can consider. Up to 12 is there, you can take x is less than 15, you have to consider. Next, going to the second question now. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 is there. So now there are the multiple of what? Or first one is 2 raised to 1, second one is 2 raised to 2, similarly 2 raised to 3 and so on up to 2 raised to 5 is there. So therefore x is such that x is what? 2 raised to n becomes now. N you can consider as natural number, but the natural number up to 5 is there. So therefore 2 raised to n is there. N is natural number. Simply we can put n is belongs to natural number and n is less than or equal to 5 we can consider. Less than or equal to 5 we can consider. So going with the third one now. The third one is what? 5, 25, 125. Same way 625 is there. Similarly here also 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 3, 5 raised to up to 4 comes. So instead of here the same thing, you have to put 5 raised to n. But here the n comes less than or equal to 4. So the third answer is C. X such that x is 5 raised to n, where n is belongs to natural number and n less than or equal to what? 4 comes. Less than or equal to 4 comes. Next, fourth one, denum. So here 2, 4, 6 and continuous is there, means up to infinity. They are all even numbers now and also natural numbers. So you can consider positive natural numbers. So therefore x is what? Positive natural numbers. Not positive. Only you can take positive numbers. Sorry, natural numbers. Sorry. Even natural numbers. Even natural numbers you can consider. And last one is 1, 4, 9 up to 100 is there. So fifth one, 1, 4, 9 up to 100 is there. Nothing but 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 10 square is there. They are square numbers, but n is what? Less than 10 you have to consider. So therefore x is such that what? Square numbers but n is what? Less than or equal to 10. Square numbers, square natural numbers. We can take square natural numbers also. But n is less than 10 will come. Going to the fifth question, list the all elements in the following set. You have to list, means here already it is in a set build form. You have to write roster form. Nothing but you have to list the answers now. The first one is A is the set of what? X. X is such that X is an odd number. Odd number you have to write. So A set becomes what? Odd number you have to write. That may be positive odd number or negative odd numbers, but only odd numbers is there, but natural number is there. So therefore 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. The first set will come. Similarly, second one, x is such that x is an integer. Here this one is already solved in the yesterday's class. Minus 1 by 2 is nothing but minus 0.5. X is less than, greater than 0.5, but less than what? 4.5. So therefore here you have to write the integer now. So therefore which one is greater than minus 0.5? If you write the integers now, 1, minus 1, 0, plus 1, 2, so on. So here it is there, minus 0.5 up to 4. 4.5 comes next. So therefore these are the integers now. So next answer becomes 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this way the second answer comes. Similarly third one, next x c is the set what? X is such that x is an integer and x square is less than or equal to 4 you have to write. I will tell the basic concept now. Greater than, less than, you know, but here that may be greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Equal to meaning that will comes in the 6th chapter, that is linear inequalities. So equal is there means that one also you have to consider. Means x integers you have to write but integer is there, so therefore 1 will come 1 square, less than 4 will come, x here square will be fixed, so therefore 1 square is 1. Next, minus 1 so here also becomes the integer. Minus 1 square also 1. Next, minus 2 square also plus 4 itself. Next, 0 is also integer, 0 square becomes 0 itself. Next, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 4 also comes because less than or equal to is there. Therefore, minus 2 first. Next, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So these are the integers comes. Next, going with the fourth one now. X is such that is a month of X such that X is a month of a year not having 31 days. By the thumb rule itself, January having 31 days. Next comes what? February, March 31 days, April, May is also having less than 31 days. Similarly, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So this way you have to take a value. So January, February, March, April, May, June. June also comes. July, August, September, October, and also comes November. So these months are not having 31 days. So this way you have to write the answer. Sorry, this is the fifth answer. Next, I will go with the D, fourth one now. What is the fourth one? X is such that X is a letter in the word lawyer. As you know already, L double is there. Simply put L, O, Y is there. Next comes A. This is a simple one. Next, last one. F is the set. X is such that X is a consonants in the English alphabet which precedes K. Means, as you know, except vowels, you have to write the consonant. Only two alphabets are there. One is vowels and consonants. So therefore, consonants you have to write except what? Vowels before preceding K. Means B, C, T is there, F, G, H, J, only up to J, because preceding K is there, so therefore up to J will come.
Continuous.
Next, last one. Here you have to match the one side is roster form, another one is set builder form. You have to match the following here. So one is 1, 2, 3, 6 is there. What will be the set builder form now? Let us see first one, prime number. But here 3, 6 there, the answer is not comes. Similarly, next, all are natural number. Let's go with the third one. These are all natural number and also divisor of 6. So therefore first one is what? C. Next, second one, 2, 3 only is there. The 2, 3 are both are prime number and also divisor of 6. So therefore second one is A. Next, going with the third one, mathematics is there. These are in the list, means roster form. The word here already is there, the D. Yesterday we missed one alphabet, that is I here. One alphabet we are missed in the yesterday's class, that is I. That one you have to correct. Next, going with the fourth one, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there. Left is what? C is there, B is there, D is next one is B. All are natural and also less than 10. So therefore last answer is B. So this way. And also one more thing, if you going with the notes, you have to show this all exercise when you are coming to the college. Thank you.